Welcome back to Everything Wrong with Insert Car Brand Name here, where we make fun of every car brand that exists with funny and nonsensical videos. The beloved Audi. Sleek, stylish, and sometimes a bit quirky. Today we're diving into the world of everything wrong with Audi. Buckle up, folks, and go get your engine oil can. Let's start with the age-old mystery of the Audi turn signal. Hidden somewhere in the depths of the cockpit, this elusive lever has baffled even the most seasoned Audi owners. Let's talk about Audi Light Show. Is it a disco? Is it a malfunction? Who knows? Just sit back and enjoy the spontaneous mood lighting on your late-night drives. Now let's talk about the Audi Owner's Manual. A masterpiece of cryptic messages and hieroglyphics that would make even ancient scholars scratch their heads. To adjust your seat, press button B, if you can find it. And who could forget the Audi touchscreen saga? Swipe left, swipe right, swipe up, now back down, and voila! You've accidentally activated the seat warmer in the middle of summer. Next up, we have the classic Audi engine light, a friendly reminder from your car that it's time for another heart-to-heart or a trip to the mechanic. Who needs a fuel gauge when you can play Guess How Many Miles I Have Left every time you hit the road? It's like a fun game of automotive roulette. And let's not forget about the Audi automatic parking system. It's like a dance of frustration as your car tries to parallel park itself into oblivion. The Audi symphony of rattles. Is that your sunroof gently serenading you with a percussion performance on every bump? Or is it just the soothing sounds of your Audi's unique musical talents? Oh, and how could we overlook the Audi climate control conundrum? Enjoy the thrill of freezing in summer and sweating in winter, all thanks to your Audi's unpredictable climate settings. Last but certainly not least, we have the Audi oil consumption mystery. Is your Audi thirsty for oil faster than you can say oil change? Congratulations! You've just earned your badge in DIY oil refills. So there you have it, folks, a comedic look at everything wrong with Audi. Despite the quirks and mishaps, we can't help but love these unique German machines. Share your favorite Audi quirk in the comments below. And until next time, drive safe and don't forget to pack extra oil.